Okay, hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted subjects in Photoshop in your photo, right? Okay, so now let's go all together. Okay, so now I go to window and select layer. And then I duplicate this one more. Okay, and then we go to spot healing brush tool. Okay, click right click and select. And mode in here we choose normal mode, right? And okay, tab, choose content aware, right? Now we go to remove. Okay, so this for this pictures I need, right? But all of these people I don't need, right? In here. Okay, so now I click to remove. Okay, okay, remove this one more. Okay, and this one more. Okay, this. Okay, we remove until finish the subject that you don't need. Okay, that's all. So now left only these two people, right? Okay, so we have a look at the original pictures and the last picture that we already done. Yeah, see, and this, right? Okay, thanks for watching. If you want to see more video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share my video also, right? Okay, thank you. Goodbye.